in continuation of its effort to conduct welfare activities for local population and to bring about health awareness to the people in region, BSF Shillong headquarters organized a free medical health camp under Civic Action Program. The camp was organized as part of the series of programs organized by the BSF to celebrate its Raising Day. Border Security Force was raised on 1st December 1965 with the primary role of guarding the international borders. In a series of programs celebrating BSF Raising Day, BSF Shillong today organized a free medical and health camp for the welfare of civilian population in and around Shillong City. The camp was held at Lal Ground in Maupat in Shillong today. The free medical and health camp was inaugurated by BWWA President Frontier Headquarters Shillong, Lakdeep Kaur, wife of Hardeep Singh, IG Frontier Headquarters BSF Meghalaya. During the camp, spectacles and wheelchair were also distributed to the needy personnel at Maupat area. A special team of doctors, consultants and nurses from BSF and Civil Hospital under the supervision of Dr. Rich Pal Singh, Chief Medical Officer of BSF, conducted free consultation and checkup in general health for all the visitors who attended the medical and health camp.
मैडम आप लोग थोड़ा सोशल डिस्टेंस थोड़ा सोशल डिस्टेंस में